Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Elma Logroño Panida and I am 40 years old. I am from Purukuno, Barangay 56, Taysan, Legazpi City, Albay, Philippines. I am married and I am also a Catholic. I have 3 kids, aged 15, 7, and 4 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level. My hobbies are cooking, playing with the kids, gardening, and singing. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months. I serve 1 adult and 1 child. I also work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months, and I serve 1 couple and 4 children aged 15, 12, 9, and 5 years old. My duties are marketing, dishwashing, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and taking care of the children. I want to work in Romania because I want to earn money and I want to help my family, especially my children. I'm willing to take good care of children or elderly. I can always sing nursery rhyme like the wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. My future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to take good care of your family. I will do every task and responsibility you will give it to me, my wholehearted. I will also love your family as my second family. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, Sir, Madam.